Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will help you understand how you can create an add-on as a partner. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you have to click on this option of customer plans. Once you click on this option, you get this option of add-on. Click on the add-on option. On the right hand side, you will get this create add-on option. Click on this. Now from here, you have to give a name to your add-on. I'm giving AI add-on. Display name I can give it as AI messages. Okay, and now you have to select for which plan I am going to provide this add-on. So I simply have to check mark all the plans that I have created. Okay, let's say I just want to provide the add-ons for these much plan only. I will click on simply close the drop down, and only for these plans it will be the add-on can be made. But make sure that add-on can only be made for the paid plans. The add-on cannot be made for the free plan. So make sure to only add the plan that are paid. Once you are done with configuring the plan, then you have to select the type, which type of add-on you are going to provide. So I'm using the AI add-on, so I will select the AI, and what will be the consumption that I would like to provide. So I will say, let's say 1000 messages. Will be the model. I would choose the model as 4.1, and I can choose it as knowledge base. You can, as per your requirement, you can set that accordingly. Last thing is the currency. What will be the monthly price of it and what will be the yearly price of it. So let's say $10 and it will be $120 for the year. So I will simply click on create plan, and once I will see the add-on created successfully. So you will be able to see the AI add-on last. I can simply turn the status on and it will be visible to the customer who are on the plan that I have chosen. So this is how you can create an add-on as a partner. Please let us know if you have any concern or any query related to the same. We will surely help you. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.